This is Jerry McSparron with JMac Engine Shop, and this is a rebuild completion video on a Triumph MG 1500 engine, number FM45783UE. I think I can get a light on here. FM45763UE. And need to put that spark plug wire back on because we'll try to start it here in just a minute. And this was originally out of a 76 Triumph Spitfire, and but it will fit a 75 to 79 MG midget and a few other applications. It came to me as a core engine for another engine that I shipped somewhere in the US. There was no failure. It was just tired and needed to be rebuilt. I put it in my test car, which is an MG midget, and I took it for a test drive I think I went about 12 miles or so, and the oil pressure held very well at 61 to 62 psi at 3,000 RPM. Water temperature was steady at 175 after it reached operating temperature. It was a 65-degree day here. I drove it and returned to the shop and retorqued the head and adjusted the valves, and then I did a compression test, and all the cylinders did well. Number 1 was 175, number 2 170, number 3 175, number 4 180. Those are good numbers, and I expect them to get better as the engine is fully broken in and the rings seat. And after I got back, I checked for oil leaks, and I didn't find any on the engine, and after an hour there was no spot on the floor. So that's all good. So we'll get a hold of the test button here now and see if it'll start for us. Play with the throttle for a second. Running very smooth. Gauges. I don't know if they'll focus. I hope they do. I don't know. Well, the engine has cooled down a little bit. It's about 100 maybe it's getting to about 159, 160 degrees, but it's oil pressure is holding steady at about 61, and it's running about 900 to 1,000 RPMs. And of course, it's the oil pressure will come down a little bit once it gets warmed up. Idle, it idled between 25 and 30, and all right, and that completes this video, and let me know if you're interested.